We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This message is transmitted by request of the United States government and the Department of Homeland Security. At 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a massive nuclear attack has begun to take place in rural areas of the United States. The nuclear attacks are believed to be acts of terrorism. The following areas should go to a fallout shelter now: San Diego, San Francisco, Boston, St. Louis, Nashville, Chattanooga, Knoxville, Dallas, Atlanta, Tampa, Orlando, Fort Myers, Washington, D.C., Seattle, and Denver. If you are within 5 miles of any of these areas, take shelter now, or you may be affected by fallout. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks and is known to be fatal upon exposure. If you are not within 5 miles of these areas, stay tuned to radio stations and local media outlets for further information. Have a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and non-perishable food with you in case another attack happens within your radius. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable stations shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This WTVF we will continue to serve the Nashville metropolitan area. Do not use the telephones. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.